offer you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Came from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Who it is the best in the biz. Aim but be alert, cause they checking for the kid. Hennessy, yeah, I'm back, just doing what I do. I'm bored with your games, I suggest you get a clue. Yeah, it's like they never knew, but the spit is so precise. Bet that I'm all up in their head like lice. I'll never take it back, I ain't taking your advice. And they know what I mean, motherfucker, cause I'm nice enough. Yeah, well I got what you need, and it might sound conceited, but I will not concede. I ain't fucking with rucks, and I'm way out of your league. I ain't messing with you scrubs, yeah, that's word that I can read enough. So close, motherfucker, I can taste it. Y'all don't see the vision, you should get some LASIK. Feeling so good, you can say I'm on that make shit. It came from the heart, so that's why I had to pace it.
Scattered around the lips of the young. Now you claim that it's you on the tips of the tongue. And if you're proud of what you had to kill to get your crew, well, I bet it stings to give up everything and realize that they don't want you. It's a lonely road where the young go where the misery finds its home. It's a long way down to the sacred ground where the reapers beg for peace.
Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor all alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take it on holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah. Riders on the storm.